This is a new tornado warning that now extends into parts of Kane County, and this will remain in effect until 6:15. And just to give you an idea, right now it's 5:17. These storms are moving slowly, and they continue to hit the same areas over and over. So from Kirkland over towards Genoa, you are getting hit with heavy rain, as well as the potential here of tornado touchdowns, and multiple in this area. They have been spotted. They have been confirmed. We do have storm spotters out in this area right now. So out ahead of this storm that's getting very close to Genoa, with the potential here of tornado touchdown, out ahead of it, if you are now in this new warned zone, this will be the primary focus here, this area for DeKalb and Kane County until 6:15. Have that severe weather safety plan and get to your safe spot. You're going to have to just stick here right with us, because this is going to be a long duration event, just because these storms are moving rather slowly. And you can see the nature of these storms as well. You can see this line forming and getting very close to 23. Let's switch over to velocity, and we have definitely seen some well-defined rotation. And here you can clearly see that velocity getting picked up, indicating that rotation. And just to the south of Kingston, you can see this couplet. This is tightening. This is indicating the potential of a tornado possibly reaching the ground. You can see that bright green next to the red. This is that zone. This is the area that we would find this storm producing a tornado. So this is the environment we're dealing with. This is what we're going to continue to watch and monitor. And we're seeing these warnings being extended a little bit farther to the east. So a little bit of a volatile environment out there. We've also had reports of some funnels in Lake County. So with some isolated storms, we don't want to forget about you. No warnings here. But as I put this into motion for parts of Lake County around Wakanda, stretching over towards Libertyville, heads up. These storms are doing in number. They seem rather weak. It doesn't seem like a whole lot of intense thunderstorm action happening in this region, but heavy rain and confirmed in and around the area. Western Lake County near Wakanda, which I was just showing and talking to you about, they have been seeing persistent weak rotation. So we're monitoring that. I believe we have some storm spotters out there. They are also looking at some wall clouds that have been forming in this region. So where these storms form, it is almost inevitable at some point in time they will pick up on some at least weak rotation out there, and they do have the potential of dropping some weak, brief tornadoes, potentially a few stronger ones, not out of the question with the environment we're sitting in here. It's very hot, it's very humid, and we have some gusty winds out there and a lot of shear in the atmosphere. So this is that one storm. We're watching this. We do not have a warning on it, but with that said, if you're in this area of Lake County, this is to the south of Grays Lake, now just passing to the east of Wakanda, Sylvan Lake off to the south, 176, Libertyville down towards Vernon Hills. You're out ahead of this storm, so please stay indoors. Mundelein, this is approaching you quickly. Diamond Lake, again, I mentioned Libertyville crossing over 45. If we travel a little bit farther to the east, as the storm will continue to move in your direction, 94's here. Green Oaks down towards Mettawa, and then Lake Forest up towards North Chicago. We'll continue to keep our eyes on you as the storm cell gets a little closer. That storm is not warned. The warned storms here up to northern DeKalb and Kane counties right now. You can see this tornado warning if you're just joining us. This warning remains in effect until 6:15. Again, Genoa,